Hello everyone, we have another geometry challenge question. So we're being asked, let's name the corners. This is A, let's call it B, C, D is given. I'm gonna call this corner E. So we're given the area in pink is 144 centimeters squared, and the green one is 63 centimeters squared. And we're supposed to find the area of the BDC triangle. If you would like, you can pause the video and give it a try to solve it, because after that I will show you the solution for this question. I assume you're ready to give it a try and solve the question. So we have 144 given, 63 is given, and this question I would suggest you to complete this. So, and let's call this corner H. So, based on this, so as you can see in this square, we have the half of the area is 144. To find the area of AHD triangle, I'm going to take away 63 from 144, 81 centimeters squared. So this should be 81 centimeters squared. So then the rest is easy, because you know that from the same height, if these two triangles, think of that, the base of this triangle, we don't know what that is. So I'm talking about the area of ADB. The base is, let's say, X, and the height is AH. If you will multiply, let's say, here, H times X divided by 2 gives you 63, right? So, so do you see the proportion in here? I mean, this is 63, this is 81, this is 9 times 7, 63. So this is, so instead of X, we can call this one, the length BD, 7X, because they're proportional. This is, if this is 7X, this has to be 9X. So the H, we called it, becomes 16X. Anyway, so because the base, their height are the same, so this is 7X, this is 9X, because they're multiple of 9. So based on this, now we just found the similarity, right? These are the same angles. This is 90 degree. If this is alpha degree, this will be also alpha degree. So based on this, same proportion we have. If this one is 81 centimeters squared for the 9X, there is a proportion. You can think that, let me erase this. There's a proportion in here. Same thing, with the same approach, you can solve the question if you like. Or what's the proportion in here between these two triangle? 7, oops, sorry about that. This is 7X. The proportion is 7 over 9, if you will start from here. So 7 over 9, and area proportion, let's say the question mark, over 81. But what do we know? That in the triangles, in the similarity of triangles, their area will be the square of their proportions. So this has to be, and there's such a rule that if they're proportional, if they're similar triangles, their area of these two triangles will be square of their proportions. So 49 over 81 will be equal to our question mark over 81. So as you can see, our question mark will be 49 centimeters squared for this question. This is the answer. Thank you for watching our channel, and we will try to keep solving some geometry questions for the geometry lovers. Thank you and have a good one.